driving out of town last Thursday and then taking the horse to the vet this past Monday, I missed a few video recording days. So we're behind on making videos. I know I've got a couple of new horses that came in that I haven't even videoed yet, I don't think. And also got some horses that's been here a while I need the video to catch up. I want to start with videoing this horse. This is Calypso. Calypso's been with me for a few months, and she's actually going home today as I'm recording this video, or as I'm doing the voiceover on this video. She is a gaited horse that I've had for a couple of months, and the owner wanted her to be really broke. She's got some physical limitations, and basically we want Calypso to just be soft and relaxed and just walk along. We've had her out back, put some miles on her out back in the woods, in the pasture, and here we're just, Robert is just riding her around in the arena, just wanting her to relax. Just go steer and relax. That's all we want of her right now. Her owner needs to work on her balance, her steering, and just have a nice, relaxed, easygoing horse to enjoy. To encourage the horse to not want to speed up, we pretty much don't ask her to go very much faster very often. We have worked on a little bit of a run and walk with her, which she does very nice, really smooth. But we generally want her to want to go slow, which was pretty easy for Calypso, because that's really what she wanted to do anyways. This is just kind of naturally a good match for this owner. Robert here is just kind of working on her steering a little bit, turn left, turn right, and just really showing her that this is what we want. We want it to be an easy day. We don't want her to have to work too hard. We're just going to walk along and be a nice, relaxing, easy trail horse. From the beginning, Calypso was pretty easy to start. She never did really give us a whole lot of problems, much of anything. My granddaughter spent some time on her too, and she was really good for my granddaughter even. Sorry about my voice, I've been shaking some allergies. I've had a little bit of congestion and drainage, and it's been kind of hard to talk. It's that kind of year here, allergy season, that time of the year. I'm ready for it to be over. The only bad part about that is usually when it's over, the weather turns cool, and I don't care for that part. This is also the horse that was giving us such a hard time in the wash rack. If you saw those videos, if you didn't, I'll try to put a link somewhere so you can see it. This is the horse that was giving us so much trouble in the wash rack getting her bathed, and that's been fixed nice too. She's good in the wash rack. Now the owner said she was good for her to be bathed for her at her house before she sent her, which seems pretty odd. I'm sure she was telling the truth. I'm sure she was good. I don't know. The only thing I can figure is that maybe she was worried about my wash rack itself, the wet concrete or something like that. I want to make sure that when we ask her to stop, she stays standing. Don't get too antsy. See, this is a pretty laid-back, easy-going horse. I think she's about 2.5. She's pretty young, which is another reason to not put much pressure on her. That was pretty nice, just standing there for a minute. I think that's me out in the big arena that just went by riding another horse. The horses that you see out on the end of the arena, that's going to be Mac, Bug, Bob, and Campo. So she just continues on, just walking like this, real relaxed horse. She don't really give us any trouble at all. It's going to be a good horse for her owner. And I'm really looking forward to seeing her owner enjoy her. So this is Calypso. I'll put a link to her playlist on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching.